are going to be making
hash brown egg cups.
These are super delicious and super easy to make. They're really great to make because they're really good for breakfast and you can freeze them. Before you start making these, you need to wash your hands, guys, so you can stay nice, healthy, and clean. And right, but one last thing. We need you to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Our first step is going to be turning on the food processor. And we're going to take a potato, put it in.
Put it in gently because it is very hard.
You need to put in 6 potatoes you need to put in. So now we're going to be moving on to our next step. So we have all of our potatoes in the bowl, and now we're going to be adding our ingredients. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of flour.
Add it into the bowl.
And mix. And we're also going to need to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to need to add 1 cup of any cheeses you like.
We put
Parmesan, cheddar, and mozzarella.
Yeah. Add that in.
And we need to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
So the melted butter might be a little hot, so you can ask your parent to help you.
So now we are going to be taking our mixture and putting it in these nest trays, and we are going to add it into all of them, and then we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Rosie can do one if she wants. Okay, before our hash browns go into the oven, you need to form them by making a nest. So you push your fingers in the middle and push to the side and make like a nest. And then in there is later where the eggs are gonna go. Now our hash browns our nests are half baked and they're out of the oven. And now we're gonna be moving on to our next step, which is beating some eggs. After you beat them, you're gonna take them and put them in the in our nest. So just beat.
Make sure all the chunks are on the eggs, so it's like a nice yellow.
These look pretty good. And now we are going to be taking a third a cup, and we're just gonna add it in. And you can add toppings if you like, but you don't need to. So for some of ours, we're gonna be using tomatoes.
And for some of them, we're gonna use spinach.
Okay, and we'll see you when we're done. Now we are going to be taking our nests and we're going to be putting them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Our hash brown egg muffins are ready, and now it's time for the taste test.
These are very good. They really taste like hash browns and eggs. And I think you guys should really try them.
They're really good, really soft, and the cheese and the hash brown and the egg fit perfectly together. And overall, it's absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.